Assalamu alaikum. Dear viewers, in this video you will learn in detail about the line weight and line color tools that are available in the AutoCAD in the home tab in detail with the help of example. So if you are new to this channel, please subscribe for more such informative videos. So the line weight means the line is how much weighter, means it is how much thicker or thinner. So you can change the weight of the lines from here. In the properties you can use the different thickness of the walls that are available here, and if you want to give the 1.0 mm thick wall, so now this is selected, and from here from the tools available in the status bar, this is the show or hide the line weight. So now it is inactive, and if I want to draw a line here and to measure its weight, so now this is the line object with some arbitrary shape. So if I want, or if we want to change the line weight or to apply the line weight, so we will activate this tool from here. When I activate, now you will see the color, the size of the line. Now it has been increased the weight of the line from the previous value to this much. As you can see, now it is so much more clear and highlighted. So from this here you can change the size, means the line weight, to different values. And to change the line color, so you can make it from here. You can see there the color has been changed. So through this you can change the color of the object. So this is how you can change the color of the line. So through this you can change the color of the so you can see some of the objects in the figure has been marked with line with the color red. So through this you can change the color and the weight of the line depending on the requirements and your interest. So if you have any question in the line weight and the line color, you can ask in the comment section. And thank you for watching this video.